So in this video, we're going to be making the best chocolate chip ice cream or just vanilla ice cream. Let's go. If you want the best tasting ice cream, it's mandatory that you get the best ingredients that you can find because all of them will just make this ice cream the best ever. Start off with 3/4 cup of whole milk. Follow that with a 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar. Then you want to mix that in until the sugar is all the way dissolved. And then you want to follow that with 1 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Make sure this heavy cream has a lot of fat in it. Then follow that up with 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Then mix that in, incorporating it all. And then you can move it on to the mixer. Grab your mixer, put your chilled bowl in that was actually chilled for 24 hours in a freezer. Make sure you put your other gadgets in and then put the lid on. Then pour your ice cream mixture in. Then turn it on. And you want to keep this on for 30 minutes. Then you want to put in whatever condiments or whatever you want to put in to your ice cream to make it like chocolate chip, whatever. Then chill it for an additional 10 to 15 hours to get it solid, nice ice cream. Then scoop it out and take a bite. I'll be honest, that was really good. You should totally make this for Christmas desserts. Everybody in your family will love you. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Merry Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. Bye.